Boy, finally got something new for the relic. I had a bunch of upper control arms. I looked at the reviews. I didn't even know. I looked at them Amazon reviews, and a lot of the upper control arms was terrible. So I was like, and you know, the upper control arms is what basically hold your wheel on the truck. So if that break, your truck, you gonna be on the side of the road. So I went with the what's this again? KSP upper control arm. So we doing an unboxing, and since we on Machete Kid TV, of course you gotta open it up with a machete. Oh, that's already cut. This is the cleaver machete. That's what I like to call it. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, these is looking real good. They just came out with these too. Okay, you got your little sticker right there. You got this. Okay, your hardware. Looking good, looking good. Okay, these are forged aluminum. Oh, that's the other one. Like, what is that? Nice in the box. Oh yeah. This is you see go on the right side. Nice and beefy, y'all. Ow, that actually hurt. I ain't never seen this. You see that? Ain't that cool? Oh, it didn't even screw off. Oh yeah, that ball joint ain't going nowhere. Nice and stiff. That's how it's supposed to be. So that's the right one. Got your Zerk fitting. Everything is already thing. So when you put them on, go and put a little grease in there. You good. It don't got the. It's got the. I think these are rubber or something. I don't know. And the cap go up there. Boom. Then it's got the little thing so you can put your screwdriver in there and pop that off. So this is the right one. Looking good. Looking good. And that bolt go down there. You gotta check both of them now. So, and now here's the left one. Oh yeah, same thing. Woo, man, that is nice and beefy. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. So, KSP look like they did a good job right here. Look like they did a little good job. I'm gonna put all this back. I'm gonna be putting this on the truck probably tomorrow. I got a lot of work to do to my truck, y'all. Uh, so I went with these. Oh, what's in this brochure? And I want my sticker. Yup, because anybody know me, I like stickers. That little brochure. I want some more stickers. And another sticker. Okay. Oh, okay, they give you, and then they give you directions. See, a lot of people don't even show you that. They give you directions. '04 through 2020 F150, and then it show you, and then it's gonna show you how to put it on. Should go nice with the them rough countries. When the boot swells, you're done. I guess that's when the grease. Keep that thing rolling. So these was, I don't know if I want to say it. That's probably why I ain't got no money now, y'all. But I think that's why my steering wheel shaking again a little bit. But these was $307. Okay, so keep that rolling. Keep that rolling. Matter of fact, oh yeah, just do some. Yeah, just look at him. Just look. Keep that camera on. Just observe him a little bit while I go over here. So y'all, I forgot I still got the thing. So all right, y'all, I'm back. So these are your eBay special. I never put them on until I looked at the reviews and they kind of weren't good. I think it was a three star out of, I think they had maybe 9 reviews and it's only 3 stars compared to 4,000 reviews and it's 4.5 stars. So so these are the basically the eBay special. How much different these are than these. Think, see, I can move this one. What you think? And then this is different, and these are not even in there right. See, I think when you put the bolt, they're supposed to squeeze it, but still, they're not really in there right. Then I'm in the Ford group, and a lot of people, and one person said, I asked them about these, and everybody was like, you need to go with this. And then somebody was in the Ford group said they hit a bump and this bent. So I was like, oh no, and I've been scared to put them on. So I just broke down and got this. So that's really it. So I might need to, I don't even know if that's safe to give away. But y'all, that's the KSP up control arms. Tell me what y'all think. Comments below. I will have a video of putting them on the truck sometime soon. Thank you.